Hi, this is Rohit Anand, proprietor for Adhunik Designers. Adhunik Designers is a one-stop shop for your complete residential interiors. We've been in the business of interiors for the last 16 years. Though my father himself was a owner of a furniture company called Indeco Furniture Industries, where I branched out into the field of interiors, manufacturing my own modular kitchens and wardrobes way back in 1994. It's been a long journey now in the field of interiors, where we have started even taken up the distributionship for international brands like AGT, where we are the AP distributors for AGT, which is supposed to be world's one of the top 3 technologies. We have ranges of modular kitchens and wardrobes starting right from the low budget people and for the mid budget, and of course the high end clients as well. Though located at Sainikpuri, we have a clientele throughout AP and even around outside AP. That is, we have done even projects in Bangalore, Bombay, and Delhi and other places. In Hyderabad itself, most of the elite localities, you would definitely find 1 or 2 houses in every locality done by Adhunik Designers. Adhunik Designers believe in originality, and what makes a product a little different than the market is we believe firmly in using only waterproof plywood for our boxes for the kitchens and ISI branded plywood 18 mm commercial for the wardrobes only. We don't use anyway particle board or MDF as the box material anywhere, as the screw holding capacity is a little lesser as compared to it would be in plywood. And the plywood, again, what we're using is totally certified by ISI on commercial plywood as well, on termite proof, waterproofing and other problems. We also give you a written warranty and guarantee on the entire product range. If you have any kind of problem arising in your thing up to 3 to 5 years, you get a total replacement guarantee from us. We have been always consistent. We are trying to consistent endeavor to have quality maintained with our product. We have all the satisfied customer. Most of the clients, we get our business through references, because of happy clients get us more business. We are also doing big ventures as well with some of the builders, where we have done a couple of model houses for them, and the response has been quite good. Going with the quality aspect, what we maintain, we have been honored with various numerous awards, where I have received my Rashtriya Nirman Ratan Award with the Economic Growth Society of India in the year 2007. Then in the year 2008, we have been awarded with Rashtriya Udyog Ratan Award, which again is a national recognition which we got for quality. They have also got Indian Achievers Award for Quality Excellence, and most recently at Bangkok, Thailand, I have received my International Award for Quality Excellence from Her Excellency Lata Reddy, the Indian Ambassador to Thailand. This speaks by itself for quality, what we maintain and believe in. Coming a long way in the business, we firmly believe that it's not about how many houses we do, it's all about less houses but more quality and more name. And I think to top it all, I have just received today is the day when I'm talking about it. I have now, you can actually call me doctor, as I've received an honorary doctorate in the field of interiors given to me by the Open International University at Bangkok. It's been given to me by the Vice Chancellor and the Chairman of the Open International University, Sri Lanka, Colombo. And I'm really proud that to come up to this stage, the hard work, honesty, sincerity and recognition has finally been recognized, and here I am in front of you with all the hard work and still believing in quality never fails and to maintain quality always. Thank you.